final battle raging on a rooftop in the gray. I saw you take the hit.
Huh?
Hit that was meant to come my way. You fell into my arms, your transformation disappeared. The final whisper of your name was the last thing that I heard. My rage became a fire. I finished off the fight, but all I had was silence in the fading Paris light. I looked down at your earrings, I looked down at my ring. I knew there was a price to pay for what I had to bring. So I'll take the spots and claws, I'll take the cursed might. I'll pay whatever toll it costs to make the darkness bright. Let the universe be broken, let all the stars realign. I cannot live inside a world where you are no longer mine. I'll rewrite the sky for you, my lady, it's my turn. And for this wish I'll let my very essence burn. A blinding flash of power, a world of empty white. It tore me
Oh my God! Wow!
into pieces with its creation light. It asked me for my truest wish, my one and only plea. I screamed into the silence, just crowd and light the stage, she wears a mask to turn a hero's page, but on a Paris rooftop.
We went a spin. You thanked me with the
No, 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 no.